It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.